Hi, I'm Val, and I live and travel full-time in my self-converted camper van with my cat Sadie. We're exploring the beautiful Pacific Northwest. Come along and click that red subscribe button if you haven't already to follow the journey. Hi, I'm in Mount Rainier National Park. I'm meeting up with our friends Jerry and Cassidy. You probably remember them from our earlier videos. We did a van tour with them. Check it out here if you haven't seen it yet. It's pretty sweet. They got a camp spot here at White River Campsite. I'm parked in a parking lot right next to them. Anyway, they're on a hike. We don't have service right here. There's no cell service in campsite. So I'm going to put a note on their van letting them know where I am, where they can find me. Old school text messaging. I'm so excited to see them.
Cut it like down.
I think I'm wearing the same jacket.
We're all like triplets right
Hey,
now.
what up?
This is Jerry and Cassidy. We're going to see their friends and
We're
have
here.
a campfire.
Yeah,
We're here in Mount
just
Rainier.
ran
Well,
into some
we don't know
random
if
friends.
they have wood or not.
Yeah.
Oh.
We'll have to go see. This would be sick because we could both pull in right
Yeah, that would be epic.
here.
Yeah.
Look at the sun we would get.
Oh,
See?
that's a perfect spot, man.
How you doing?
Because they leave on the 23rd. And would that just be sick? Would you want to stay here for another couple nights?
I mean, yeah, for $10. Yeah.
Did you have to pay extra?
No.
Oh, cool. So we just
No,
split it.
it's yeah, it just says up to 6 people in a spot.
So we should go get our ticket and put it behind that one. They're not leaving for. Tomorrow's the 22nd. The day after that's the 23rd. I just think it would be sick because like.
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
See out.
Yeah, this is perfect. We're thinking about coming and getting this spot because it's just so epic. But we have to wait like 3 days. I mean, look at this view. We could share it. There's so much space here. Oh man, what a day. I'm so happy to reunite with Joey and Cassidy. They are so funny and enjoyable to be around. Joey and Cassidy were walking around the campground today and he happened to run into a friend from high school that he hasn't seen in a long time, and they happen to be camping here. Not just the same campground, but the same loop. They're like, it's like A, B, C, D, and we're in C. So it's just so funny. So we hung out with them all night tonight, roasted marshmallows and chatted. So that was really fun and lovely. We are going to get up early and go on an adventure hike on a glacier. I've never seen a glacier. I'm so excited, and hopefully the clouds will be gone so we can actually see Mount Rainier. Good morning, everyone. We're with Joey and Cassidy in their van, and we're driving to the top of the mountain.
Sunrise.
So we're driving to Sunrise, and we're gonna hike at the top of the mountain, Mount Rainier. I'm excited. Are we gonna be on a glacier or just look at it? We're just gonna look at the glacier. So this is called Frozen Lake.
Yes.
It's so pretty.
Jeez, that's amazing. I wish my water came from here. If I only have like jets.
You used to be able to walk by it. It's like,
No, I feel like right.
Alright. Just taking mental pictures.
Thank you. It looks so cool.
I should have brought my binos. Oh, Valerie. Get in the setting. Get in the setting. Feel the background. Be part of the mountain.
Or should I?
Yeah.
Wait, how do you change yours to camera?
Oh, there it goes. Okay.
That, right? That's Glacier too, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just
dirty.
covered in dirt.
Yeah.
It's covered in dirt.
Jeez, you're right.
Look at that now. Oh, he's not coming in.
Oh,
Yeah.
that came in fast. Yeah. Check out the color of that lake. It's sediment from the glacier, and it turns it that cool green color. It's full of minerals. Ooh, snow. Look at these flowers.
That's the trail we went up on, right there.
That's so beautiful.
You want to go down the valley?
Yes. I want to see it.
Let's go.
Ooh, flowers.
Yeah. I'm just polluting this with the oils from my hands.
Oh, he's like a teenage deer. Oh, it's so fluffy. There's two of them
Where?
on the other side of the tree. They're by themselves?
Just a cute little guy. Wow.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Whew, that was quite a hike. We're back in our vans. We got another camp spot that we can both fit in, kind of. It's pretty epic. It's not like the one I showed you earlier because those people were still there, but this one's pretty good. Changed into some warmer clothes, rested, because as soon as that sun starts going down, it gets cold. Made myself a little dinner. Today's the last day we can burn firewood, and then they cut it off because it just gets too dry, I guess, in Washington. So this is the last day everybody can make a campfire. Okay, I'm gonna show you our camp spot. It's $20, so we split it $10 each. Sadie doesn't want to come outside because she can hear the dogs. Well, now she's getting a little braver. So this is the picnic area. We have a table, a fire pit, and if you had a tent, this is where you would set it up probably. But you can have a party out here. So much space. Surrounded by all these beautiful trees. And I'm parked in the camp spot. This is where you store your food if you don't have a van. I guess I'm not strong enough to open it. There's Jerry and Cassidy's van. They just parked across the street so they could get solar. This spot, you don't get as much solar because of the trees, blocks the sun. I don't need much solar because I don't use the electricity that much, but they do. And check out this view.
Yeah, exactly.
We have our chairs set up. And Mount Rainier is right there. and it's usually covered in clouds, which it is right now, but you can still see the top. Yeah, it's so cool. We have the best spot. I'm super excited. And Joey's giving a van tour to our neighbors. It feels good right now. It's not too cold, but maybe because I've been working. I've been moving. Yeah.
We're gonna get that fire. We're gonna start that fire.
Yeah, it's getting dark.
Yeah, well, you know, as old people, we gotta do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna sleep early too. I'm so tired.
I know, huh? Hey, Joey, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go dump the garbage. Okay. Nice meeting you. I'll be right back.
Pleasure meeting you too.
Okay.
Are you leaving your van open?
Oh yeah, I'm sure it's fine. She's attached to a leash. She should be fine.
I wonder if more people will not stay if they don't have fire, because it gets cold at night without fire.
Yeah. There's aluminum, plastic, and glass.
I don't think you can
But not
recycle
paper.
That, paper, huh?
I guess not.
Are you filming taking the garbage out?
Yeah, so
Oh, that's
exciting.
exciting.
So exciting.
If you see a
Can't
bear,
miss
that would be
that.
great.
Yeah.
Oh, you have your camera on?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, Valerie.
Just showing people how to camp, you know, in case they don't know.
How to be responsible campers?
Yeah. Ugh, this is gonna be a good fire.
Yeah, well, hopefully we can get it started.
Yeah, we will.
The wood seems pretty dry.
Yeah.
That's funny that I was gonna go get some, but I was lazy, and then the guy drove up by
He
here,
was just here.
and he was stuck because somebody blocked him off, and I was like, "Hey, can I buy firewood from you?" He's
It
like,
was meant
"Hell
to
yeah."
be.
Yeah, well, he's probably like, "Yeah, you can buy some because they're gonna tomorrow. You can't burn."
Yeah, he's like.
Tonight's the
"Please
last
do."
night.
Yeah, I know. Whew.
All right.
Make it a good last night.
Yes. Those things were such a scam. Waters were like more than $100.
I don't know, for like 120.